This afternoon at 3:30 p.m., the Office of the Secretary General received a second impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte, filed by members of various people's organizations. The second complaint was endorsed by three House members, namely Representatives Franz Castro, Arlene Brosas, and Raul Daniel Manuel. As mandated by Article 11 on accountability of public officers, particularly Section 3 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution, the House of Representatives will process this complaint in accordance with the rules of procedure in impeachment proceedings. The Secretary General shall transmit to the Office of the Speaker all the complaints filed. The filing of impeachment complaints underscores the seriousness of the allegations and highlights the vital role of Congress in upholding transparency and accountability in government. The House is committed to performing its constitutional duty with fairness, impartiality, and respect for the rule of law. We assure the public that this process will be conducted with integrity, guided by the principles of due process and adherence to the Constitution. The House remains steadfast in protecting public trust and ensuring that the democratic process is upheld. We call on all parties involved to respect the legal proceedings and allow the constitutionally prescribed process to take its course. Thank you.